Hello and welcome. Are you preparing to sell your home? One of the most critical steps in the process is the home inspection. I'm Adam with the Keith Walker team at Intero, and in this video, we're going to guide you through how to prepare your home for inspection and what you should expect. So let's get started. To ensure a smooth inspection, start by decluttering your home. Clear out any unnecessary items from areas like the attic, basement, and crawl spaces. This will give the inspector easy access to all parts of your home. Make sure your home is clean and tidy. Now, this doesn't affect the inspection directly, but it creates a positive impression for a potential buyer. The buyers will see the photos that the inspector takes. Address any minor repairs. Replace burnt out lights, fix leaky faucets, tighten loose doorknobs. These small fixes can prevent unnecessary flags in the report. Ensure all areas of the home are accessible. Unlock doors to rooms, outbuildings, and electrical panels. Clear out paths to the attic, the crawl space, and utility areas. Outside, trim trees and shrubs away from the house. Clean leaves and debris from the gutters, and ensure downspouts are in their proper position. Run water in every sink and bath to check for clogs. Replace filters in your HVAC system to ensure it's working efficiently. Make sure all utilities are turned on, including gas, water, and electricity. This will allow the inspector to test all systems properly. During the inspection, the inspector will evaluate your home's condition, including its structure, electrical, plumbing, and HVAC systems. They'll provide a detailed report highlighting any issues found. Now, this report can help you address any problems in listing your home, reducing potential surprises and negotiations with buyers. If you do decide to get a pre-listing inspection, choose a qualified inspector. Look for certifications from organizations like ASHI or Internachi, and read online reviews to ensure they're reliable and thorough. By following these tips, you'll be well prepared for your home inspection. Remember, transparency and preparation are key to a successful sale. Now, I have a couple bonus tips for sellers. One, you want to gather some receipts, keep records of any maintenance or repairs done on your home, and disclose known issues. Be transparent about any known problems to build trust with buyers. Consider a pre-inspection. Identify and fix issues before listing your home to avoid surprises during the buyer's inspection. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck with selling your home.